Do you guys want to know how to recreate this viral rotating watermark? By the way guys, I also make ILLIT, so if you'd like to purchase one, you can head to the link in the description. Thank you. Hey guys, so this is what we're going to make. The first step is that you want to make sure that your composition size, or your composition settings is 1080 by 1080, and the frame rate is 30, and yeah, okay. Okay, then you want to create a text layer, and you want to use this font called Super Fresh. You want to make it like 70 size wise, and you want to type in edited by, and then align everything. You can hold Control Shift H to see where the anchor point is, and then hold Control and double click up here to center it. And then you want to trim to exactly 1 second. Then you want to like create like a little beat so it's halfway that, so, and then you want to split that layer so you have 2 text layers. For the text on the right, you want to change this to your username that you want. So for example, I'm going to use Jordan, and then yeah, just make sure everything's aligned and stuff. So now we have this. Okay, after that you want to go to the second text layer, and you want to add this effect called increase tracking. You want to go to the end keyframe and change this to like 10. Go back, highlight all the keyframes, hold Alt and drag this so it kind of extends. You can adjust like where you want it to go, so I'm just gonna keep it here. So I think this is fine, so I'll just keep it that. And then we're gonna copy the tracking and then paste it onto the first text layer. You can hit U in the keyboard to see it, but this one's different. You wanna right click it, make sure you've highlighted the keyframes, keyframe assistant, and time reverse the keyframe so it's reversed. So you have this. Oh. Now we want to add some color and design kind of the text. So for this, you want to just highlight all the text. You can double click it. We're gonna change this to like 6, and then you want to change the color which you want your secondary color. So for this, I guess I'll just do like a pink. Okay. Okay, for your username, this one's different. So what you want to do is double click U, and you want to press animate. And then what you want to do is you want to press fill color and then RGB. And this is where you want to change like the color of what you want your watermark to be. So I'll stick with pink. And then after that, we're going to press add in the animator 2 and press selector. We're going to go to wiggly. So then we have, if we open up the wiggly selector, you can see that the pink would like, you know. So you guys can obviously adjust where you want it to be. So yeah, I guess I'll just do this, or yeah, you know. Alright, I'm just gonna do this. I'll just do 25 just for the example. Okay, so you've basically have the text done now. Now it's time to like animate everything, you know what I mean? So for this, you want to make sure you have motion blur on for everything, and then you want to recompose both of the texts. And now we're going to add the effect S_glucose. This is how you're going to do the rotation. Okay, you just want to keyframe the rotate right here, hit U to see keyframe. We're going to go to like the end keyframe. We're going to make this 60. So now then drag it end here, So you have this, but you wanna highlight keyframes, right click, keyframe assistant, easy ease, and then we're gonna change the graph. Okay, so you want the graph to be something like this. Okay, yeah. Now you want to do like reverse. Okay, so you want to type for the next part s underscore Bamacos, keyframe the rotate, drag the 0 to the end, but this one's a bit different. You want to make sure this one's -50, so it gives it like enough time to like, you know, spin. This one, the graph is gonna be reversed, so you want to highlight easies unless you copied the same graph, except, you know, so you have something like that. Yeah, you can adjust the graph, but yeah. Okay, so now you have this. It is time to do like the in and out animation. So what you want to do is create a node layer for like both. I like to just connect the nose, the precoms to the nose. Go on the node layer. I'm gonna press S on the keyboard to scale. I'm gonna put this like to the middle, and then I'm gonna make this like 0, so we have like it kind of zooms in, and then we're gonna highlight easies. See, we're gonna do like a sharp kind of graph for this, something like this. Okay. Yeah. Okay. And then for the ending, we're gonna do the same, but it's like, you know, backwards. So we'll go from like 100 to 0. And then, you know, you frame it just like that. But yeah, I usually do it for like yeah, I feel like that's enough frames. Alright, yeah, so okay guys, now enable this. Okay guys, once you've done this, you're pretty much done, but you can just like recomp all your layers by holding Control Shift C, and then you can add your text color over here. But yeah guys, that is basically how you do it. What you guys can also add is like a burst overlay for the watermark, so you can I'm gonna go to blending modes and then press screen, and then yeah, you can basically match where the like that. And also you can add tint. This is called a burst overlay. So yeah, this is the product. If you guys want the overlay, you can join my Discord. By the way guys, I also have a Payhip if you want to purchase any of my editing presets. So thank you for watching, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye!